Hello guys. I'm Bisakh new again. I just want to ask you people that let's be interactive and let's have more energy to this thing. And you just can unmute yourself, Soumyadeep, and just share with your thoughts. Like I just want more people to unmute themselves and just talk with us and not just type it out. Yeah. If you're raising your hand, just unmute yourself and just speak it out. No problem. It will develop your soft skills also, and you can pitch more well in the hackathons. So yeah, where is the energy? Yeah, actually, don't be
And
shy. I'm
if
not
you guys
telling
want,
people to open your cameras. Just unmute yourself and speak with us. It's okay if you're not talking in English or Hindi. Speak in your language, whatever you want to, and just speak it out.
কেউ চাইলে বাংলাও বলতে পারিস, no problem.
Exactly. বাংলা বলতে পারিস ভাই.
And yes, soft skills matters in hackathon too. You will have to present your ideas properly in front of judges, like three panel of judges. So you will we need to prepare. So before coming to hackathon, there is one thing we need to understand, that is community. What is the role of community in tech world? Why do we need a community at first place? Because hackathon is basically a social coding event. The idea of hackathon is bringing like-minded people together, like build up teams and come up with a solution for a problem. So before prizes, like winning, like goal of attending a hackathon is never winning. Goal of attending hackathons is to just get along with the community, get to know people, get to learn and all that. So we need to understand what is the significance of a community, because alone you can do a lot of things, but when it comes to growth, you're like growing your technical knowledge and improving other aspects of your like technical journey, community matters a lot. If you have a good community in your college, if you have good peers, then definitely you'll improve much faster. So yeah, so the hackathon is all about that. You are interacting with like-minded people. You are interacting with people who have much more experience, like CEOs of startups, good companies, like senior developers. You will get to interact with them. So definitely you will learn a lot of things. So first, the hackathon is a social coding event that like brings programmers like you and others under one hood. So you will spend like 48 hours coming up with an idea, coding it and all. And it may sound stressful, like 48 hours of coding. No, it's actually not. So the aspect is the journey, like h- yeah, how you and your friends will do that from the start to the end. Like first, as in new someone who haven't attended hackathon before, it might seems very stressful, but once you go there, once you start doing it, you couldn't imagine how you will perform under that pressure. Because and one thing I'd like to say to the juniors, that you may think, no, I don't know, मुझे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं आता, मैं hackathon जाके क्या करूँगा. So uh, there is no such things like that. Everyone starts from zero. There are many people who just know how to create a basic web page, and they do really good in hackathons, because idea, I think, above everything, idea matters the most. Even if you don't have the best execution, if your idea is great, then definitely you will do great. So coming, is there anyone who would like to ask me anything, or any queries?
Hi. Can I? Am I audible?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So, hi, my name is Jaydeep Rakshit, and I'm really a beginner in this journey. I'm really excited about hackathons and all those stuffs, but I do have just a bit of fear. That is because I can't really code that much well. And yeah, I do have better ideas when it comes for a problem, but I can't think it in a way of a like in a computerized way. So that is the issue, and I'm really need a proper guidance to like work through it so that I can do well in a hackathon and I can put a good effort on my team or if it's all my own.
Hello, Joydeep. I just want to know which year are you from?
I am from Barakpur.
No, no, no. Which year are you from? Like, not where is your
Oh
house?
yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. I am from first year actually.
Okay, okay. It's great that you are trying to come with the idea from the first year. Just think of an idea, just get a problem and try to solve it out. Okay, and the execution
I
part
I
is a
I
his. Yeah, yeah, tell me.
Yeah, I really actually having an issue to follow a guideline that is being really an issue. And apart from it, like I might have
Yeah.
some ideas sometimes, but I end up being really stressful because I can't really find a way to solve it at the end, like to make it fulfill at the end. So that
Yeah,
becomes a huge
actually,
problem.
yeah. Okay, okay. I get you. Everyone, can you tell me? Can you raise your hands, people like who are having this kind of problem? Just it's a very genuine problem. Like
Yeah,
everyone
it's
is
a
having, I
very
guess.
common problem.
Yeah, exactly. Like we too
Even
had. Like I too had.
even yeah, I and Bisakh and other teammates had it's
I
very
just
common
want
problem.
like these people just to come up and share your thoughts.
Yeah,
I'll tell the solution to this problem, but I just need more two people or three people to just unmute themselves and tell about their journey or like how they're struggling probably for this
yeah,
thing.
or what are their fears or what they want to know about hackathons, what queries they have. I think there are a lot of misinformation or like lack of knowledge on what hackathon is, how hackathons are.
Yeah,
So if
exactly,
you guys
exactly.
are interested, we can definitely
People
share
are
our
raising their
journey
hand,
as
but they're
well.
not telling what problem is they're facing. Can you please tell more problems and
Yeah,
we can actually tell the solution to you people? Like, actually,
yeah, be
can you
more
please
like
share more of your
specific.
thoughts? Like, I just want to know what you're thinking of hackathons are all about and what problems are you facing in like pitching an idea to a senior or we are not seniors. Come on, I'm not that kind of senior who will take your intro suddenly and will just bully you. I'm not
Yeah,
like that. We are
no
not like
one's
that.
you won't
Exactly.
be judged here because
No one will
your
judge you.
questions are
Just
very
speak it
much
out.
needed
Yeah.
here so that we can discuss like further on this topic. So please come up with your questions.
Actually, Dada, yes, what my fellow friends have mentioned that they are facing problems, how to deal with that problem. Actually, being a first year student, we are very much noob in this, like in this field. There in the hackathons, there is generally works done in app development or website development, like that stuff like that. But actually, in the first year, we have generally started just coding. Many of our friends doesn't know the C program as well. This is the major problem that we are facing, that how to start with this, how to deal with this, like this. Many of them, yeah, there are some the special our friends that who are well equipped with their technical knowledge, and they can solve problems with those app development or website development. They have done projects like this, but all of us were not such like that. But many of us were from biology background. We have just started programming, after that we have joined in the college. So that's our problem. Then how can we start with another
Yeah,
by pursuing this
Navajit,
kind of
thank you so
hackathon?
much for sharing your problem. Like as you told that you are from biology background, and like Arnav was also from a biology student
Yeah,
who had
I
biology in class
also had
12.
biology into it.
Okay, so
Dada, to be honest, we are not able to even convince our friends to participate in these hackathons
can
just
you please
because
tell
of
your
this
name?
background.
I can't. Abhiraj Bose, right?
I
Can
am
I
I
can
am
I tell
Abhiraj
everyone a
Bose.
story?
Yeah, yeah.
One small. Do you know what I like? In my first hackathon, I participated in my first ever
Actually,
hackathon
hi
was
Arnab,
in first
Arnab,
year.
Arnab,
Yeah,
can you listen?
yeah.
In which year you are, Arnab?
I'm currently in third year.
Okay. So I am actually talk with Prasun,
Yeah,
I think student chapter lead, I think from AOT, right?
yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So actually, I want to talk to you guys. So you are all from AOT.
I'm from also AOT.
Yeah, so actually, I joined this for not from the hackathon information. Actually, I have told to arrange to Prasoon to so that you guys come to the college. So I think tomorrow there is closed of college, yeah, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, the college is closed, right?
Yeah, college. I live nearby, like very close to college.
Okay. Okay, so why I'm asking that because we have an idea. Our team are working in an idea. We are working in a startup. I am 2022 pass out from AOT. IT branch. So I want to meet in person you guys, those who were interested. Okay, so we want actually 10 to 12% from the first year to second year, and some of the tech leads and front end developers and who can design data models. So we need that. Okay,
Okay.
okay. So can you guys let us know that how many people you are coming so we can plan.
Actually, tomorrow is no college. Tomorrow is parent teacher meeting, so
Yeah,
probably no
I
one
know
is.
that, but
Yeah,
yeah.
you can get in touch with me. I live in a nearby mess, so if you're in college or something.
Actually, the issue is we are very restricted times, and we are in a phase of data modeling, and the person who is doing data modeling is very busy with his project in the company as well as our startup. So that's why we are very hurry to pick it up the tech leads. Who is going to tech leads in the next 3 or 4 quarters. So for first year we can wait, but for the second, third year guy, we want to recruit as soon as possible.
Okay.
Okay, so can you arrange us?
हाँ भैया, आपसे तो बात हुआ था। तो how many of you are from AOT actually? Can you raise your hands? From only AOT, only AOT students. Okay, so are you guys are free to come tomorrow? As Bhaiya said, he will be having a short meetup session with you guys. So the requirement is if you have the knowledge of basic web development, front end, no need of backend development, but you have tried database, SQL, anything, or maybe you are interested to interested to start web development or starting just now. You can come tomorrow actually. We'll be meeting some of our seniors. The main thing is if you have interest, you can come tomorrow.
So yeah, so we had a kind of break in between. So let me continue
Yeah.
the point which we were
Yeah.
there.
Let's go back to the topic.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. So I was telling that guess what tech stack I used in my first year, like in my first hackathon. There was no complex full stack apps. I just used basic HTML and CSS with Bootstrap. In my second semester, I participated in a MLH online hackathon because lockdown. I didn't own anything, but yeah, it was a great learning experience. So that's the first thing you should be looking for in a hackathon: a great learning experience. Okay, back to Bishak. Were you saying anything?
Yeah, so juniors are asking me question like what are their plans and how will they execute their solutions for a problem which I think for a problem which they have thought the solution is there but they can't implement it. So I would tell you guys like you don't follow a roadmap for that. Okay, can you please give me a quick raise of your hands like how many of you know HTML and CSS? A quick raise of your hands first. Let's see, guys. Okay, 20. Oh, everyone knows it. Okay, everyone knows it. Why? So why are you afraid of executing things up? Like, it's okay. Don't think of very complicated ideas which you can't implement. For hackathons, I would tell that like first, if you're good at front end, just HTML and CSS, participate in it. Okay. Like, can you please open your mic? Who asked me this question? Now that like I was having a problem, I couldn't execute it. Can you please unmute yourself and talk to me for once? Hello. Is he there? I forgot his name actually. Uh, okay, can
I
you
guess
anyone?
it was Novojit.
Okay. Nobojit or Obiraj, you also can tell me. Yeah, you can say
Yeah,
few.
Dada, I have asked this question.
Yeah, Nobojit. So
Hmm.
yeah, so you had an idea, right? You thought that how
Yeah,
could you implement it actually?
yeah.
So just make a. Let me tell. Then you ask me again a question. Okay, I'll just tell the solution to
Okay.
this problem.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm telling that like if you're, I'm just telling. I'm giving a simple problem and I'm just trying to solve it out. Okay, so you're thinking of making an e-commerce website. Okay, just e-commerce website, and you can't make that cart wala thing which will add the items or sell it out. you can have a payment gateway problem or a backend problem. Okay, I completely get it, because first year people are afraid of things, and I was also afraid, and not, you are not alone. I was also in this journey, and we are all afraid of things. But you need to break this like a barrier. Okay, you just need to break it and just move forward. So what's the thing all about? Just make the front part of it. Okay, make it static. Like just put your name in the section which you want to be dynamic, and just make the item static, and just show the examiner or the person who is judging your project, just show it in static manner. Okay, just don't need to just make things dynamic and make your whole project work out. Just need to express your idea to the person who is watching it out. Understanding my
Yeah,
point?
the thing
Hello.
about hackathon
Sure,
is,
sure.
yeah, are you there? Yeah, the thing about hackathon is nobody expecting a production build from you. You just need to give them a somewhat live demo, a demo of your project. Not there. It's very normal to, uh, like every component of your app won't work in hackathon. It's guaranteed. Something will go wrong or go as, like, not as you planned. It happens with everyone. So just don't like, or leave it like, if you have cart, you have to manage states and all that. So don't do this. Tell them we have cart. We'll implement it later. We couldn't do it because we couldn't figure it out, or we have like, hackathon is a time restricted event, so we couldn't do it. Just tell them upfront. There is no problem in that. You don't need to execute everything perfectly.
So had anyone participated? I guess from first year there was a person. Yeah. If participating in online hackathons, you don't have any knowledge of any tech stack or not any idea, just join the sessions organized by the organizers. Actually, it's a great experience and have fun. Right? Yeah, actually. Thank you, Jiswan, for this like valuable note. So I just wanted to know an experience from a person who had went to diversion 2K23 in IEM. Can you please tell? I guess I don't know the name of that person, but 3 people or 4 people from AOT had gone there, and I went to CSE first year. Have you guys heard me on the first year students? Anyone has heard me before speaking to your classes? Hello.
We just heard you yesterday at
Okay,
lab
okay.
19.
Okay. Like anyone else, like Abhiraj. Okay, thank you. Okay. Let's go. I just want things to be again like more smooth, like how it was the last day. Okay, so I just want people that like there was a person who had an experience in like on a hackathon from first year. I just wanted you to know her. I guess Trisha. I guess probably. I guess I don't know. Can you please unmute yourself or just type it out that how was your experience there? Were you in the hackathon in Diversion 2K23 IEM? Okay. Just don't be afraid, guys. Why are you afraid? I don't understand. Okay, it's not a problem. Just type it out that how was your experience. Just everyone will read it out. So my thing was like just get an idea, participate in a hackathon. Like it will be fun, and an ideathon is all about just putting and pitching an idea. It's not all about just coding it out. If you're afraid of coding, it's not a problem right now, because we'll be having an like boot camp, as Prasuna told you last day, and I had also went to the first year students. So we'll have a boot camp, and you can like ping us seniors. Will help you out. That's not a problem. The student chapter is there, and we went in your classes. So I had already told that. So again, I'm repeating the same thing. It might be monotonous for you people, so I'm just not repeating the same thing again. I just want you to. I just want this session, as Prashun told me, that to take and tell you people in online mode who was not there, who did not listen to me before. Just want you people to be like participate in ideathon. It's a very big opportunity, and if you're winning it with an idea and not just by coding, it's a very big opportunity for people. You can go to abroad. Yeah, that's it. Yes,
And
sure, no.
one thing I would like to add with Bishak, that in Diversion 2023, our idea wasn't very huge or something. We solved a very particular problem, very like simple problem with our solution. So it wasn't very huge, it wasn't very big, it was small and simple and concise. So you can also do that. You don't need to come up with a huge big thing. You can start with a small simple thing. Yeah, is there anyone
Hello,
saying anything? Yeah, yeah.
hello,
Go ahead.
hello,
Yeah, yeah, go ahead.
brother.
We can
I
hear
just
you.
want to
Yeah.
know what exactly happens in an offline hackathon. Like how the hackathon proceeds. Like what is the
Yeah, okay. Obronil, very good question. Like, I
Yeah,
can
very good.
add my blog post in this channel, or like I just can put in the query section. I had put it in LinkedIn. Wait. I'm just putting it out. Wait, just a second, bro. Just putting the link here. If you just can follow it up, I'll just tell the story right now. But yeah, I'll tell you the whole adrenaline rush which you get in hackathon, coding it for 36 hours, and it's actually fun. Wait, I'm sending you. Wait. I'm just putting it in. Just if you just want what was hackathon all about, it's in with emojis and emoticons. Just read it out. So as you told me a question like hackathon में क्या होता है, right? So first we go there, okay? So hackathon is not only about coding and not just sitting down and just brainstorming your mind and only having bugs and not talking to anyone or not helping each other out. It's all about just going there, meeting new people, more connecting with more people. Like we were the team who had like participated in Delhi hackathon, and we had represented West Bengal. So it was more fun to meet new ideas. Like we were thinking, भाई ये तो मेरे से भी better सोचता है. This is what you think, like if we are staying in the same place, we are not fighting, we're just seeing the same person, and you know that person is better than me, or that person not good as I am. I need to be better. So the more people you see, the more energy you get, and the more that enthusiasm है ना वो बढ़ जाता है, right? So that is what I want to tell you guys. Like वहाँ पे ना mini events भी होता है, like catch the flag. And what catch the flag is like, there will be a bug which will be given. You just need to like find it out. Understanding my point?
And
Like,
yeah, and
Is
not
it
only
like that
coding,
bug
like
bounty?
हाँ.
Is it almost
हाँ,
like that bug bounty
bug
thing? Like
bounty,
what?
yeah, exactly. But bug bounty, तो मतलब it's in a larger scale, right?
That's
But
more like it's
capture,
a big thing. Yeah.
capture the flag
and
is like kind of a mini events which they do, like अरे, what that
like for
thing is like.
20 minutes with like snipe or something, they will walk you through it. Even if you can do it yourself, they will start to walk through the whole process. You will learn, definitely you will learn how to like do cyber security stuff
and
for your
and
like
one more thing to
testings and
add,
all.
like mini events comprises of the talents which you have. Like you can sing, you can dance, you can show your talents, you can have poetry things,
Yeah,
you can rap there. Just you can meet new people and like showcase your ideas. Like there were more projects on AR VR thing, right? Like we were also shocked, like AR VR का glass पहन के ऐसा कर रहा है. We were like भाई तगड़ा idea है ना. तो this is what you think. Like then they were showing us the idea. Like ऐसा नहीं है कि वो AR VR बनाया और मुझे नहीं दिखाया वो AR VR का project. So he came to us and we went to them and they were like, "Bhai, can we see through the VR thing?" And they were like, "Yeah, why not?" And they built a very simple project, but it was on VR, and that's why they had won it. Okay, so there are tracks for that. And one more thing for you people, like I guess the answer is solved, that why hackathon is all about interest, and like it's not only about coding. There are many like events where you'll get swags. Like how many of you want here stickers and swags? Can you please raise your hands? Like they're already raised hands, but I
I
guess
guess all
this
of
is what
us
you
really.
flex all about. All of us, right? Like it's all about flexing with your like swag mil gaya mujhe. I am like the buddy here, like, right? So वैसे ही होता है hackathon. Like the more swags you get, the more superior you become, I guess so, right? Like you can see Arnob's and Ishit's like my teammates like laptops. It's full of stickers. Like he can share it out. It's yeah, he has the swags. Yeah, exactly, Trisha. Like the more swags you get, the more superior you think. Like first second year में तो वैसा होता ही है. So our thing was different. Okay, I am going through my journey, what I had, and I guess this will be interesting. So my journey was kind of different. I had been coding from like my school days. Like yeah. So it's all right. I'm privileged that I was from that school, that the coding culture was there. But like for COVID situations and stuff, I couldn't go to outside college. I had my good education marks, but I couldn't go outside. So the thing was like for the first 2 years we had COVID, so I couldn't go outside, and I had to come in AOT. And it's a very good college. Actually, it's a very good college, and this like that strictness which the college shows, and it's actually helpful for all the people here. Attendance बोलता है ना, मतलब कॉलेज तो आते हो, वही है. मतलब कॉलेज तो आते हो, दोस्तों से मिलते हो ना, घर जाके जस्ट वैसे मतलब बैठते नहीं हो. मतलब अदर पीपल, my friends, they're from government colleges, but they don't go to college and they don't have friends actually in college. they पहचानते भी नहीं इसको. तो उससे AOT is, I feel that my opinion, AOT is good enough. Okay, now for the skills which hackathons don't come here, So for that, in my year I thought my friends were going to the hackathons. Inter college hackathon भी होता है, तो यहाँ पे कोई उतना participate नहीं करता था और culture भी नहीं था, ठीक है ना. So I was the one, me and one of my friends who I can take the name, Anurag, from my same school. So we went for an hackathon. Like it was an online hackathon because there was a COVID situation all around the state and like all over worldwide. So we had participated in an hackathon named Hack the Mountains 1.0. Okay, the first season of Hack the Mountains. So we just made a very simple project. It's totally in my blog. You just can read my blog out. Okay, guys. Like I have posted in the like chat section. You just can go and check the link. I'm just telling you the story. I'm just telling it out. Just audiobook दे रहा हूँ मैं सिर्फ, ठीक है ना. So we went there and yeah, someone is raising the hand. Okay. Raise your hands, no problem. Just keep raising your hands, no problem. So yeah, so we participated in the first hackathon. It was very fun. We just made a simple project for restaurant app. Okay, it was having a player, like a video player, audio player. It was having a calculator and it was having a chatbot. Okay, like we did not know anything about chatbots, like anything. Anyone of you know here what socket.io is all about? Socket.io কেউ জানে এখানে socket.io কি আছে বা কি কাজ করতে লাগতে পারে? আমি জানতাম না ভাই, এরকম ভয় পাস না যে আমি জানতাম. আচ্ছা, অর্পণ মুখার্জি জানে, রাইট? হ্যালো, আমি বুঝাচ্ছি এত রেজ হ্যান্ড হয়ে গেছে, আমি বুঝাচ্ছি নজন অনেকজনই জানে, ঠিক আছে, socket.io অনেকজনই জানে. ওকে, কুল ইনাফ. তো বেসিক্যালি we implemented socket.io and we did the project. So then we couldn't be placed anywhere in the hackathon because it was our first year, and MLH is a very big platform, like Major League Hacking. You can go there and search for the hackathons. It's very fine, and if you want swags actually for free and just by not coding anything, you can just go and I can just post the link here for free swags. So who doesn't want free swag? Yeah, wait, I'm sending you the link. Just see it out. Yeah, this is the link. Just go there and check their like daily activities. You just get swags for free for every week. There is a October week, November week, वहाँ पे होता है, ठीक है ना.
There is something called Global Hack Week that English conducts
exactly.
every first week of month. You can participate in that, you can win lot of stickers and t-shirts.
Exactly, like and the stickers will come from other country and not from India, and that also you can flex, guys. Yeah, actually, and it's not all about flexing. I'm just stressing on flexing because I just want you people to be more like enthusiastic about coding, and that's what will make you more comfortable with coding. And जब कुछ मिलेगा ना तभी तुम सोचोगे कि ऐसा करने से ही ऐसा मिलता है ना. तो इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ, यहाँ पे स्ट्रेस कर रहा हूँ, flexing on stickers and stuff, right? So okay, let me complete this like whole thing. So the part was like, then we were like, I need to work more on myself because I did not know auto kichu about the coding thing, and we couldn't do anything. Okay, so then I made a team named Bug Bite. Okay, like it comprises of 5 members. It's Arnab, Irshit, myself, and Anurag
and Ritesh,
from my class, and Ritesh. Yeah, exactly. So we made a team, and we all were beginners. Okay, we all were beginners, and it's not that যে আমরা অনেক ভালো কোড করতাম and আমরা আরো প্রো হয়ে গেছি, ওরকম নয়. We all were beginners. We still are now beginners, আমি বলবো, because there is no end of learning. You just keep learning in development. Development is not the thing that God tier वाला बंदा है यही सब कुछ जानता है. Development, and the key to success for development is you should know how to copy and paste and how to Google things, the right keyword, how to Google things in like properly. So this session, I just don't want to drag the session. So everything will be told in college. Just start joining, probably first year people, I'm telling, start joining student chapter, and I'll be taking boot camps, and I'll just interact with you people more, and it will be helpful for you people. I'm just telling the AOT students, AOT jara ache, I'm just telling them that if you're interacting with me, that I can interact with you people and take more sessions on all these things and how to grow yourself, just my experience and stuff. So I was telling, yeah, so in my second year I started to go for hackathons more, and in 2022 we went for Delhi, and then we went for and the recent we went for IEM hackathon. So we did not know anything, and then we started learning about what blockchain is all about. If you're interested in blockchain, can you give me a raise of your hands quickly? কেউ জানে ব্লকচেনটা কি? আমি বলছি না, আমি এখন বলবো না যে ব্লকচেনটা কি, আমি জাস্ট জানতে চাই কারা কারা ব্লকচেন ব্যাপারে জানে হালকা একটু হলেও, কি মানে বিটকয়েনের ব্যাপারে জানলেও একটু হাত তুলে দে. যে ক্রিপ্টোকারেন্সি যে ক্রিপ্টো ইনভেস্ট করে সে হাত তুলে দাও। Acha, okay. Nice number of people know what blockchain is all about. If you want to know more, it's exactly a decentralized system. Yeah, exactly. So it's very secured and you can't manipulate the data in blockchain. Okay, if it is gone, it's gone. It's kind of like that thing. So I'll tell more about that, but I'm not telling this because this is what hackathon is all about. Okay,
we'll say that in
I'm
later on.
continuing.
Continue.
I'm just telling that তোকে টেকনোলজি নিয়ে এখন ভাবতে হবে না বা টেক স্ট্যাক নিয়ে ভাবতে হবে না, জাস্ট স্টার্ট কোডিং ইট আউট. If you're having any problem, we seniors are here. I'll just help you out. I am there. Arnab is there. Prasun is there. Obviously, he's the convener and he told me to speak all about all these things. I won't be repetitive because I have already told all these things in the class last day. ভাই অনেক ভাবছি ভাই বেকার বিশাখ দা এসে হয়ে যাচ্ছে আবার, I won't do that. So I just want to tell you people যে সবকিছু ওরম নয় যে ভাই বহুত ডিফিকাল্ট আছে, আমরা থার্ড ইয়ার হয়ে গেছি বলে আমরা জানছি, ঠিক আছে, আমি এক্সপেরিয়েন্স শেয়ার করতে পারি, সবাই ফার্স্টে কেউ জানে না কিছু, ঠিক আছে,
even we are not pros, we are still totally new, we are learning new things, like in like
Yes,
we are
exactly.
participating in Hack for Bengal and now we are started learning React Native, which we had no idea before. So it's just
exactly. I'm just continuing with your point. I'm just telling that there might be a point that when you first year people will come in second year and I would be going to fourth year. You will tell me stuffs like Bisakh da, do you know this thing? And I will be telling bhai তুই বল আমাকে বা বোন তুই আমাকে বল যে আমি কোনটা জানি না, you teach me that. Okay, we need to start somewhere, I guess. Yeah, that's what I'm telling. Just participate in a hackathon, like that's where you start. আরে আমি তোকে বলছি, লাইক আমি তোকে নর্মাল একটা বলছি, কারা কারা ম্যাকআউট এক্সামের জন্য সারা বছর পড়ে বা পরীক্ষার আগের সারা বছর কারা কারা পড়ে, দেন দিস থিং ইজ নট ফর দেম আর কি, ঠিক আছে। আমি বলতে চাইছি যারা যারা পরীক্ষার আগের দিন পড়ে, যারা যারা সারা বছর পরে আমাকে হাত তুলবি, লাইক হু স্টাডিজ একদম সারা বছর পড়ে যায়, সারা বছর সবাই পড়ে, সারা বছর সবাই পড়ছে ভাই, আলাদাই তো, সবাই স্টুডেন্টে নিয়ে উঠি ভাই, কেউ ম্যাকআউট এক্সামের জন্য সারা বছর পড়ে না। এক্স্যাক্টলি, পরীক্ষার আগের দিন তো পড়িস, ঠিক আছে, কিন্তু পরীক্ষার দিন সবকিছু কভার করে নিস, দ্যাটস হোয়াট আই এম টেলিং। লাইক যেটা যে পড়ে নিস, যে কভারটা করে নিস, তো একদিন আগে একটা বাউন্ডারি থাকে, বলি যে আমার কালকে পরীক্ষা, তাই পড়ে নিচ্ছি। তো হ্যাকাথন ইজ অল অ্যাবাউট দ্যাট, লাইক দেয়ার উইল বি আ স্টিপুলেটেড টাইম। Yeah, exactly, cause we are engineers and engineers have all the solutions to their problems. যা প্রবলেম আছে ওটা আমি বানিয়ে নেবো ভাই, সলিউশনটা আমি বানিয়ে নিচ্ছি, এরকম ব্যাপারটা, রাইট? না হলে ইঞ্জিনিয়ার, তার নাহলে তো আমার যে একটা বন্ধু যে বিএসসি করছে অন্য কিছুতে, তো ওর সঙ্গে সিনিয়র হয়ে গেলাম না, রাইট? সো আমি দ্য মেইন থিং
সলিউশন না থাকলে সলিউশনের ক্লোজ কিছু বানিয়ে নেবো, খাতায় কিছু একটা লিখে আসবো যেটা প্রেজেন্টেবল, এইটাই মাইন্ডসেট হ্যাকাথনের। যে আমি টোটালি পারছি না, এক্স্যাক্টলি জিনিসটা পারছি না যেটা চাই, বাট একটা বানিয়ে আসবো, কিছু একটা করে আসবো, সাদা খাতা জমা দিয়ে আসবো। দ্যাট শুড বি ইওর মাইন্ডসেট when you are participating in a hackathon.
দাদা,
Okay, go ahead, Bisakh.
বল ভাই বল।
মানে what are the key factors that we should give a special emphasis while participating in a hackathon?
Exactly, very good point. So the thing which you should know is like to make a very good presentation first. Like যেমন এই আইডিয়া থনটানে হচ্ছে না, you just don't need to code here. Okay, to get selected for the second round and third round, you just need to put a very good presentation. You should put on bullets. Okay, just eto boro just don't put sentences, put small keywords, underline them and put emojis there. it will make যে আই ক্যাচিং হয় না, ক্যাচিং হবে, যে এইটার জন্য আমাকে দেখতে চাইছে লোকজন, রাইট? তুই এরকম একটা বড় লিখলি, বোরিং লাগলো, আমি নিজেই দেখতে চাইবো না ভাই, এলাম কি এত বড় লিখেছে, আমার ইন্টারেস্টিং হবে, একটা কিওয়ার্ড থাকবে, দেন আই উইল জাস্ট stick to that, right? So first is putting your presentation very well, speaking well. Okay, if the person tells you to speak up, just don't mute yourself like you're doing people right now. Mic কাজ করছে না, আমি বুঝি, আমিও করতাম ক্লাসে, মাইক কাজ করছে না বলে কথা বলতাম না, ইটস ওকে, আই আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড ভেরি কমপ্লিটলি, আই গেট ইট গাইজ, হাই ফাই ফর দ্যাট। সো বাট ওয়ান মোর থিং ইজ লাইক, যে ব্যাপারটা হচ্ছে, হ্যাঁ আমি হাসছি, লোকজন আমি বুঝতে পারছি, বাট ইটস ওকে, আই আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড ইট। সো ব্যাপারটা হচ্ছে, আমি বলতে চাইছি যে একটা হচ্ছে, যদি জিজ্ঞেস করে যে এটা কেন করেছো, ঠিক আছে, তোকে অনেক ঘুরিয়ে প্রশ্ন করবে, লাইক অবভিয়াসলি তোকে যে সেকেন্ড রাউন্ডে সিলেক্ট করবে না, তার জন্য তো ঘুরিয়ে কোয়েশ্চেন করবে, Dada, please Hindi. Okay, I'm really sorry, bhai. That's why, bhai. Okay, I'm really sorry. So there will be counter questions for your solution. Okay, right? But you need to be prepared. Like if you are presenting a solution or a problem statement which is having a solution, you just need to be interactive with the judge and convince him that my solution will work for all the genres. Understanding, Rishi, understanding my problem, matlab statement now. I am sorry really that I spoke in Bengali. I'm really sorry for that. I shouldn't have. I'm really sorry for that. So yeah, so I was telling that you need to be matlab convincing, not manipulative, but convincing. You just need to convince that my problem statement is sorry, my solutions is adhering to this problem statement. So these are the three key factors. Presentation should be well. You need to speak well, and you need to convince the judge. Okay, understanding. And if you are coding, I will tell more about all these things, but I mean तीनटे factor बोलना. I'm just saying these three factors just for this ideathon, okay, because it's very near. And for hack for Bengal, you just we can meet up, guys, like in offline mode. Prasun, are you here?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, okay, if first year people are interested, and if you can all ping Prasunda and tell, or in the query section, how many of you are interested in like knowing more thing. Yeah,
Yes,
exactly.
raise your hands.
Yeah, yeah.
Start
If they
Yeah, we
want
raising
can
me
your
to
hands.
speak
definitely
more,
organize a
If
meetup.
you are interested,
then I'll
you
speak
can
more,
arrange a meeting
and give
on
more of your experiences, and you can bring on laptops and we can code it together. And that's what my goal is all about, to make an active community in Academy of Technology, bro. Matlab, it was my very long dream to make a community which is very big deal, and everyone will tell that bhai kuch to hai is college pe, right? Exactly, yeah.
Yeah, like
I just want that.
everyone is like it. ऐसा ना हो कि सब बस एप्टीट्यूड एंड इंग्लिश एंड जावा करने के लिए कॉलेज आए, बस इसके अलावा और कुछ नहीं. ऐसा ना हो, कुछ हो इंटरेस्टिंग, कुछ काम हो,
Yeah.
like सीखे सब कुछ.
Actually, yeah, I was just saying that it's really gets very much boring when it comes to like our computer labs, because we just got to make some for loops and the array problems and all. Like it would really be good that if we can code all together and do some sessions offline like that.
Yeah, exactly. Joydeep, did I go to your class last day?
Yeah. You were there, and it was really bit of an interesting. Like, yeah, we enjoyed the session.
Yeah, actually, like I also love talking to people. I just love interacting like with people who are alike minded. And first students are actually like, they are inquisitive of knowing what the thing is all about and how things work. And like actually भाई जब मजा आता है ना भाई, मतलब you just need to know like more things. You love knowing more things. या दादा उन्नो stream में हो, একটু meet up করো, আরে
মিটআপে
ঠিক
সবাই
আছে,
আসতে পারি.
okay.
মিটআপ
Anyone
নর্মালি
can
এমনি
join
করাই
bhai.
যায়.
I am not that stream bounded person bhai. I'll not tell je এ আমি ওকে চিনি না bhai. Everyone is similar for me bhai. Just come and speak to me. You just can tell me a session like that Bisakh da, Arnab da, Prasunda, just can you please take a session for every one of us? I just can tell. And if the college is authorizing, or we can do it informally outside the college, and we can have a very good large number of people, 20-30 people just can talk, and we can chill it out, and we can actually chill like with some chill karo and like start coding. Like everyone tells chill and Netflix, I'll tell chill and code. Yeah, C and C, not chill and N. So I
Because
Yeah.
just want to
it's
tell you
true.
guys, yeah.
Coding is a very good addiction. Actually, when you starts coding, you didn't get the time. What's the timing? How fast the time is flowing?
Mhm.
Actually, like this.
Um,
Coding is like this to me.
exactly.
It
That's what
actually works like a time capsule. Like when you get into it,
Yeah,
you just
when
can't
you
figure it
enter
out.
the flow state when coding, that it feels really enjoyable. Yeah, but getting to sit down to code is sometimes really hard. Even for us, even for like super seniors, it's very hard to like sometimes just sit and start coding. But once you enter that flow state, like it feels really good. Yeah, go ahead, Bisakh. Or is there anyone speaking? You can, yeah.
Yeah. I'm just making, I guess, the session more
Hello.
boring. I guess I just don't know people. I'm just
No, no, no,
yammering and
Bisakh,
blabbering things, right?
you are making this
Hello.
सेशन बोरिंग.
Yeah, tell
यही
about
बात
This
बोलना था कि भाई देख,
offline session is
सबको यही
happening.
बताना कि हम लोग का कम्युनिटी इसीलिए है कि एक साथ आओ, सीखो, ग्रो करो खुद. हम लोग भी सीखेंगे तुमसे, तुम लोग भी हमसे सीखोगे, एक साथ ग्रो करेंगे. इसीलिए
Yeah, Obronil,
इसीलिए कोई.
someone was telling me something. Obronil, yeah.
Yeah,
Carry on, bro.
I was telling that when will the offline session happen? Like if you are planning something.
We will let you
I am
know.
the one, why
Stick
should I?
with us. Stick with us. Maybe you have joined our query group, and
Yeah.
yes, and
We are trying to
please,
make the offline session as soon as possible.
as soon as
Okay.
possible.
Okay.
And our social media handles
क्योंकि
are there.
अगले अगले हफ्ते तो आर्केडिया भी है ना भाई, उसका
Yeah,
भाई
yeah.
अलग चल
For
रहा है
this thing,
कॉलेज
I
में.
just want to tell how many of you guys are
Yeah.
excited for Arcadia. Like I had missed for 2 years. How
Yeah,
many of you are
like,
interested in Arcadia? Come on. Like ये तो
ah,
बहुत बोरिंग हो गया हैकाथन 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 करके भाई अब तो बोल दो
बहुत ज्यादा
Arcadia.
बोरिंग हो रहा है.
सिर्फ 22 people
actually, yeah, we
excited for
all are
Arcadia.
really
Like
excited, and yeah,
65 people up there, only 22 people excited. Why? I don't know. What's this? What's this? Why? 29, 30. Okay. Okay. It's okay.
Come
I
on
understand now.
people.
I just wanted, what is it? We are excited. Okay, Utsav, are you not from AOT? I'm really sorry if you're not from AOT. Arcadia is our college fest, and I am participating it for the first time because I did not participate because we had a
Yeah,
COVID.
congratulations Bisakh, Arnab. They are performing in Arcadia.
No, it's okay, it's okay.
likewise, I have also
Yeah,
performed.
we will love to hear
I,
their
I would
songs.
I would love to hear you talented seniors up there and participating. Arey, it's okay. Come on, bhai. Arey, abhi ruk to,
We
come on.
would love to see you all participating there.
Yeah, I would also love to see you people up there singing, dancing, and showing your talent up there. No, and not just coding. And भाई इतना boring कर दिया विशाख दा ने पूरा मतलब सेशन
Yeah,
में क्या ही बोल
life
दिया.
isn't all about coding. You need to enjoy it a bit. You need to chill a bit.
हाँ, 3 साल भाई
Yeah.
कॉलेज ने बहुत किया है, अब तो थोड़ा सा एंजॉयमेंट का टाइम मिला है.
Okay, guys, like I just spoke on a kichu ever. Like up to you people, what you want to tell me. If you're having queries, you just open up your mic.
I would like to
Tell,
share
tell.
few
Yeah,
things
tell, tell.
about, yeah, I think many of you juniors or in first year having difficulty to in learning process, or is there anyone having hard time to be consistent with your learning? Like ऐसा कितने का है कि रोज या एवरीडे तुम नहीं बैठ पा रहे हो, कोड करने का मन नहीं कर रहा, क्योंकि ये मेरे साथ हुआ है, अभी भी होता है. तो लगता है कॉमन प्रॉब्लम है. तो ऐसा कोई है
Okay,
टाइम
okay.
मैनेज करना
With
या
this, I'll tell something. Arnav had mentioned that he was not consistent, but he is actually consistent for the last 1 month. You can just go and check out his GitHub up there,
the
and
the
he's
streak is no
actually
more actually. But yeah,
exactly like it's not about maintaining a streak, but to be consistent.
yeah.
I'll tell that if you are not good and if you're not loving to do that thing, struggling with the man time management. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I can
I completely get it.
give you three
Actually,
ways to
Dada,
be. Yeah,
uh,
go ahead.
actually, Dada, I was facing this problem because after coming from the college, I was actually a bit tired. And after that, there my daily schedule of study. And after that, programming in every day, I can't manage the time. What should I do for this? Rather than I prefer the weekends for coding, but actually, I personally understand that I need a bit more time to make me much better. So how can I manage the time?
ये तो भाई खुद को करना पड़ेगा. फिर भी हम
Yeah,
लोग जो एक चीज कर
I
रहे हैं कि बूट कैंप जैसे कर रहे हैं, कुछ लोग कुछ एक कोडिंग क्लब जैसे बना रहे हैं. आओ कॉलेज में ही एंजॉय करते हैं, कॉलेज में ही थोड़ा देर और रुक जाओ, थोड़ा देर और कोड कर जाओ, करके चले जाओ.
Okay,
or
I
a
just
solution.
no,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
on one thing. I just tell one thing, just and then you tell. Okay, okay. I mean, okay, bar katchi. I'm really sorry for that.
अरे
But
ना ना कोनो problem.
Arey, sun. How many of you want to join this coding club where I'll be there, Arnav will be there, and like Rishit will be there, like talented seniors, and excluding me, talented seniors. You Arnav is a Faru
Yeah,
developer,
what?
Rishit is a
Oh
Faru
no,
developer.
not Faru.
Prasun is a very good convener. Prasun and Rita is there. So okay, everyone.
তবে
Please
বিশাখ
join.
দা
I
তোমার
will be.
প্রেজেন্টেশনটা বেস্ট.
আরে ভাই আরে আমি নিজের নাম নিতে চাই না, কামন লাইক আমি কারণ নাম নিতে চাই না,
God, God,
will
Bisakh,
be there,
God.
will be there. So আরে না ভাই আমি just চাই জানো everyone come here, we just code things out together. Bringing a laptop in college is a flex, I think so, because কেউ ল্যাপটপ নিয়ে যায় না, বোরিং ক্লাস সরি ক্লাস করতে যায় একটুখানি সবাই ভাবে ঘুম পেয়ে যাচ্ছে, কিন্তু কেউ যে ল্যাপটপ এনে, আরে ভাই আবার বাংলা বলছি, if we start coding and we do things together and bringing a laptop, it's a flex for all of the sorry. It's very big thing, man. Like just think that, just join us and we'll do it. Yeah. Okay. On continue. I won't tell anything.
Yeah, coming to the topic of consistency, there are three things I like three things I did follow in from my first year, or like not in first year. I wasn't very serious in my first year. I wasted a lot of time till my third semester. So after that, I tried to do few things. So you can like make a goal, like not a daily goal, make a weekly or monthly goal that I will do this. नॉट पर्टिकुलरली कि मैंने इसे ये ही सीखना है, इतना प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करना है, वैसा नहीं कि मुझे इतना लाइक 10% लाइक HTML CSS एक प्रोजेक्ट बनाना है कि हाँ एक प्रोजेक्ट मंथ के एंड तक या वीकेंड पे बनाऊंगा एक दिन बैठ के। तो ऐसा एक गोल तुम बना सकते हो कि हाँ ये करना है, ठीक है जो भी हो जाए तो ट्राई करना है एटलीस्ट, ठीक है। और दो चीज होता है कॉल्ड लर्निंग इन पब्लिक, ठीक है। वो क्या है, तुम रोज जो सीख रहे हो उसको शेयर करो, कोई ग्रुप बनाओ दोस्त के साथ कि वहां सब पोस्ट करेंगे कि तुम डेली क्या सीख रहे हो, डेली मैं ये किया हूँ या मैं कुछ सीखा हूँ या ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व किया हूँ, ठीक है। और एंड अनदर ग्रेट वे ऑफ लर्निंग इज बाय राइटिंग ब्लॉग्स, ठीक है। तुम एक बेसिक बहुत बेसिक चीज सीखे बट वो तुम खुद के भाषा भाषा पे लिखो, खुद के लैंग्वेज पे लिखो कि हाँ मैंने आज H1 टैग सीखा है HTML का, वो क्या करते हैं एग्जाम्पल दो, एक छोटा सा ब्लॉग लिखो, लिंक्डइन पे डालो या हैश नोट कहीं भी डालो, बहुत हेल्प करता है ये चीज, ठीक है। तो तुम लाइक एक गोल लो कि हाँ ये मंथ में मैं 2 ब्लॉग्स लिखूंगा, तो ये तुमको बहुत हेल्प करेगा लर्निंग में, क्योंकि तुम एक चीज समझ रहे हो वो खुद के भाषा में दूसरों को समझ रहे हो, तो एक लाइक बहुत अच्छा तुम्हारा लाइक हो जाएगा, वो टॉपिक तुम्हारा पूरा ब्रेन पे बैठ जाएगा, ठीक है, दूसरा टाइम देखना नहीं पड़ेगा। और कमिंग टू कोडिंग, there are two things I'd like to say that कि you shouldn't be ashamed of referring to Stack Overflow या कोई डॉक्यूमेंटेशन। हर कोई डॉक्यूमेंटेशन या स्टैक ओवरफ्लो देख के ही कोड लिखता है, ठीक है, इन डेवलपमेंट, ठीक है। एंड अनदर कंट्रोवर्शियल ओपिनियन दैट आई हैव इज यूज चैट जीपीटी। तुम लिख दो, चैट जीपीटी करेक्ट आंसर शायद नहीं देगा बट वो जो कोड लिख रहा है उसको स्टडी करो, देखो वो काम कर रहा है या नहीं, और उसको चेंजेस करो जिससे वो काम करे। यूज चैट जीपीटी, देयर इज इट्स जस्ट ए लर्निंग टूल फॉर स्टूडेंट्स।
So it's
ऐसा
always okay to take help, right?
या इट्स ऑल यू शुड बी टेकिंग हेल्प व्हेन यू आर डेवलपिंग, बिकॉज बहुत सारा चीज होता है डेवलपमेंट पे। HTML CSS भी हमको अभी अभी भी गूगल करना पड़ता है कि एक div को सेंटर कैसे करते हैं, तो यू शुड बी ऑलवेज टेकिंग हेल्प।
Dada, you
देयर इज
said that like in exam we used to study one day before the exam. So like this, if I'm totally noob and I don't know anything about HTML, CSS, JS, and start learning today, and I go to YouTube for help, then I will find so many channels up there. Like one is showing me a 6 hour course, one is showing 61 videos, 105 videos. So how to choose the correct channel for learning?
yeah, I can suggest you one channel if you are learning HTML CSS or what you want, like you want to know where you can learn HTML CSS JS, or like what
Yes, yes,
approach
yes,
you should be when you are looking for
yes,
tutorial video.
yeah.
So when coming to
Approach,
HTML
approach.
CSS, yeah.
The approach.
Okay, the approach should be find a suitable video like that covers some basics. Like in in context of HTML, I'm not talking about a whole programming language, because if you are learning in JavaScript, if you're learning JavaScript, you need to invest good amount of time to like get a good level or like get a intermediate level on it. So when you are learning like HTML CSS something, get a crash course, okay, that covers basics of that topic, like HTML CSS, like what are the tags, what are like divs and all that. So what are those, you ऐसा कवर करते हैं, ऐसा वीडियो ढूंढ, लाइक एक 2 आवर का होगा, ये 1 आवर का होगा मैक्सिमम HTML का। एंड उसके बाद सपोज CSS सीख, तो मैं वेब डेवलपमेंट के कॉन्टेक्स्ट पे ही बात कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है। तो ऐसा उठा लो कि HTML का बेसिक्स कवर किया है क्रैश कोर्स पे, एंड CSS का बेसिक्स कवर किया है। फिर जब तुम्हारा बेसिक्स क्लियर हो जाएगा कि यार div क्या है, ये टैग्स क्या होता है, CSS का प्रॉपर्टीज क्या होता है, ये सब लाइक एक आइडिया हो जाएगा ना, एक प्रोजेक्ट उठाओ, सिंपल सा, एकदम सिंपल सा प्रोजेक्ट उठा, उसको साइड बाय साइड करते रहो, लाइक जैसा इंस्ट्रक्टर कोड कर रहा है समझा रहा है, तुम करते जाओ साइड बाय साइड। एंड तुमको जब लगेगा लगेगा कि ये टैग ये चीज का क्या काम है, ठीक है, तो तुम उसको कॉपी करके गूगल पे पेस्ट कर दो। कुछ ना कुछ रेफरेंस, कुछ ना कुछ मटेरियल होगा जो उसको अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन करेगा, ठीक है। ऐसा नहीं कि कोड करते जाओ, समझो क्या कोड कर रहा है, और जहां पर तुम स्टक हो जाओगे वहां पर हेल्प लो गूगल का कि इस प्रॉपर्टी का ये वैल्यू है, ये लाइक ये लाइक डेफिनेशन है, ये काम आता है। तो इससे ही लर्निंग होगी, क्योंकि एक लाइक 20 आवर का CSS का कोर्स करके कोई CSS पे लाइक एक्सपर्ट नहीं हो जाएगा, तुमको बनाना पड़ेगा खुद को। वैसे ही जावास्क्रिप्ट का लाइक बेसिक क्लियर कर लाइक 2 घंटे का वीडियो आता है ब्रैड डावर्सी का, उसका एक अच्छा प्लेलिस्ट है, मैं रिसोर्सेज भी शेयर कर सकता हूँ वेब डेवलपमेंट के ग्रुप पे अगर जरूरत हो तो, विथ रोड मैप्स। बट तुम एक बेसिक समझो, फिर एक प्रोजेक्ट बना। ये चीज जावा या सी सी प्लस प्लस पे एप्लीकेबल नहीं होगा, ये कॉन्टेक्स्ट है वेब डेवलपमेंट पे, क्योंकि वहां पे तुमको होल लैंग्वेज सीखना पड़ेगा। बट यहाँ पे लाइक इन वेब डेवलपमेंट तुमको जितना जरूरत है उतना सीख लो, बाकी जब तुम एक थोड़ा सा इंटरमीडिएट बन जाओगे तुम डॉक्स का हेल्प ले सकते हो।
Hello,
Okay.
hello, hello.
या या
Alright, so he was telling about project. So I just want to tell you, like, if you're not getting a project, start building your portfolio first. Like, this is a very my personal tip for you for all the first and second year people. Like, make your portfolios a resume where it will give you a thing like who you are. Okay, like who you are. First make with HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Then go with Chakra UI and React.js. Then make an app with a React Native or Flutter or Kotlin. Like, understanding my point. Like, you're developing and being a developer. Okay. The
yeah.
most
I
stupid
one
person
thing.
will. Yeah, tell.
Yeah. Go ahead, Bisakh, go ahead. After you finish, I will
Uh-huh.
tell.
I just want to tell that you will also develop and with the tech stacks we'll also develop and be a good developer, right? First में तो सब कुछ नहीं जानना पड़ेगा ना, तो just first make a like portfolio of yourself just with your name, your qualities, your qualifications, and put everything in a single website, okay, where a person can just get to you like who you are actually, like जैसे होता है ना Facebook Instagram, तो वैसे तो मतलब प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में नहीं होता ना, तो पोर्टफोलियो सब कोई देखता है आपका, तो वैसे ही होगा, राइट? सो या कंटिन्यू अनु।
यहाँ पे लाइक कितने के पास पोर्टफोलियो साइट है, जो भी हो, लाइक वेरी सिंपल टू, जो भी हो, कितने कितने के पास है, थोड़ा रेज हैंड कर दो अगर हो तो। लाइक पॉसिबल हो तो लिंक पे, लाइक कमेंट सेक्शन पे लिंक दे देना खुद का। मैं विशाख भी है, तो तुम देख के समझ सकते हो कि
পোর্টফোলিও
लाइक
বলতে লিঙ্কডইন টাইপ এসব তো?
না না, তোর নিজের ওয়েবসাইট যেখানে
তাহলে
তোর নাম, তুই কি করেছিস না
Or no,
করেছিস,
one of
ধর
you can just put up
এক্সাম্পল।
your portfolio link in the comment box. They will understand what portfolio is. Okay, I also can put myself, and like Otisman, you also can put yours. Like Otisman is also
Yeah,
very
which
good.
is one.
Otisman is
Yeah,
a very good Flutter developer, like up there in my from my batch. He's just texting in comment box and not speaking out. I just don't know why. Otisman to কথা বলে দে সবার সাথে please.
yeah.
He's a very good Flutter developer.
In my first year, I and Otisman like coded like alongside with each other, and he's really a great coder. I have to admit it. And he's like the best all-rounder I have ever seen. He knows everything, like from ML to web to like blockchain, like everything. He's a great coder and developer as well. So yeah.
So this is a portfolio, like the portfolio is all about like just where it will be and like তো সবকটা প্রজেক্ট পর যা থাকবে, তো ওটা তোর ফার্স্ট প্রজেক্ট যদি হয় তো আবার বাংলা বলছি, সরি so so it is a thing like where it's a cluster where all the things are there, like and breaking up into components, like it is a kind of a thing where everything is there. That's it about it.
Yeah. For example, you can check out, or if anyone have a portfolio of their own, they can put it down in the comment. For it will be like great for us seeing others like
And
node
one
guide.
more thing to add, guys, like don't make your portfolios with WordPress or like a thing which is like drag and dropping and making your
Yeah.
portfolio. It's coding it out. It's not about just putting things, dragging and dropping and showing your friends, देख भाई हम এটা বানিয়েছি और ये देख भाई ये मैंने बनाया है, वैसे नहीं होता है. If you are taking engineering and if you want to learn things, code it out and not just dragging and dropping things, right? So yeah, that's a very not a fun part. There are many people who are there just dragging and dropping things, which is a very bad practice because
And
you need to
one thing
solve the
that,
things out.
yeah, one problem with that is like Wix or WordPress. Many people can like see it at glance and they can tell them, no, that's not hard code, like that's not coded, that's a like ready-made website, like very bootstrappy thing. It looks very bootstrappy. Like if you have ever used Bootstrap, your site will look like it's made with Bootstrap. You can change. It's like that. If you make a site with Wix or something like drag and drop thing, it won't. It looks somewhat good, but it won't have that like a soul. It won't have a soul, to be honest. I don't know if that explains, but it won't be like, it will be very artificial, like something you have not made, something is ready made, you just arranged there. So made it with a very basic HTML CSS. Don't need to put anything much, like put your photo and just name and your education. Even that is better than doing like drag and drop things. Okay. Bisha?
Hello, hello. Bol bhai. Any more doubts you can just ask me, or like we can wrap this up. Uh, it was a very great session with the people. I just spoke so much. I kept on speaking, and I was like, "Come on, ভাই কেউ কথা বলছে না, আমি একা বলে যাচ্ছি, লোকজন শুনে যাচ্ছে। ভাই ঠিক আছে, পুরো প্রফেসর লাগলো আমার নিজেকে। আবার বলো, ওকে ওকে, ঠিক আছে, cool enough, very cool enough. Just for dependencies. It's Chakra is very fine, right? It's very nice. But I
I've made
won't
my
use all this
portfolio
time.
with Chakra.
Okay,
Yeah,
next time
great.
we'll
Yeah, thanks for everyone for joining. I had a lot of fun listening to Bisakh and you guys as well.
Yeah, it was fun with Arnab. Arnab is our tech lead, and he's a very good person. Actually, just come and meet things and meet up, guys. And offline will be more great because like online में वो feel नहीं आता भाई. The way I speak and you just don't understand my hand gestures, interacting with you people, asking a person out. It won't happen in like in a Google Meet because I can't see what you people are doing. You might be like I am damn sure like 50% or 30% for sure are playing games or watching YouTube videos, muting this session out.
And
I'm
it's
for sure
not their
because I
fault.
also have done all these things for my first year.
Yeah, we all have very short attention span. It's true. It's fact that we don't have at a continuous attention span of 2 hours. We don't. But yeah, with the offline interaction, that can improve a lot. So we don't even need to organize a meetup. You can come up to us individually and say, "Dada, are you free? We can meet in lunch break, or are you in class? We can like have a 5-minute meet. Like you can come to us. We are like always ready to give. Like if we get 10% enthusiasm from your side, we are ready to give our 100. So that's all about. Is there any like doubts on hackathons or anything? Just you can go ahead, ask us anything.
I want to add few more. As I am seeing that a team who was present from first year in the Diversion 2K23, they were in my room. Where are they? Can you raise your hands, guys? Only they are requested to raise their hands who were in the Diversion 2K23. Yes, you can share your experience. You have experienced a 36-hour hackathon in your first year. That itself a great achievement. No? So you can unmute or no, Triyasa, Saurabh, Sudipto, Akash, Devlina.
Yeah, go ahead. Like tell us our your experience because participating in a offline hackathon in very first year of your college, it takes a lot of gut above all. Please share your experiences with us. It will be
Okay.
great.
Trisha doesn't have a mic. It's okay, but like anyone open your mic ভাই সবার মাইক খারাপ ভাই আলাদাই তো কি ল্যাপটপ ইউজ করিস ভাই তোর ল্যাপটপে মাইকই নেই বা মাইকই কাজ করছে না ভাই আলাদাই সিস্টেম আপডেট দিয়েছে নাকি আরে ইটস ওকে ত্রিশা ইটস ওকে আই আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড নো প্রবলেম আই গেট ইট লাইক ইটস ওকে ফর us I'm just saying rest of you 5 people ভাই কোথায় মাইক কোথায় ভাই এই রে
বাকি তিনজন আশা করছি ডেস্কটপ থেকে জয়েন করিস
বলবো
সবাইকে ডেস্কটপ ইউজার নাকি
ভাই কেউ মোবাইল থেকেও জয়েন করিসনি
dog ate mic what is this are Abhirup you just keep quiet please for 2 minutes come on please 2 minutes of mantra for bhai chup are dada amaro mic kaaj korche na okay bhai hey okay I'm taking the names Devlina Datta you just can tell what is your experience আরে ওকে I'll meet up but you just speak right now এতজন বসে আছে just to know what is your experience আমি তো পরে শুনে নেব
yeah one thing not every 50 people from here won't be present in the meetup
আসলে আমি কেস কে যাব
ভাই অকি টকিতে কথা বলছি মনে হবে এরপর যদি কেউ ইন্টারাকশন না করে
अरे देवलीना दत्ता, सुदीप्तो Banerjee, Saurav Rakshit, Akash 10. Okay, Akash 10 is a fan of Messi. Nice. Trisha Seal and Orno Bose. Okay, Trisha doesn't have a mic, it's okay. But these five people can just tell you what are their experience and how was their experience in Diversion 2023, because your buddies only wants to know what was the hackathon experience all about.
I have a short tip that this session is going to be recorded and will be uploaded on YouTube. So there is a chance that your experience is going live on YouTube. Don't
I
miss
just
that
don't
chance.
know, just don't want my voice to listen to everybody. ওই ভাই আমি ভাই কেউ কথাই বলে না, কাম অন, ঠিক আছে বলিস না কথা ভাই, ছাড়, কন্টিনিউ ভাই, দিস পিপল নট স্পিক, দে আর অফ্রেড অফ আস, উই আর মনস্টার্স। ডাইভারশনটা কি বুঝলাম না, যা বাবা, তাহলে হাত রেস করে দিলি। আরে ওকে, ডাইভারশন 2023 হচ্ছে একটা হ্যাকাথন হয়েছিল আইএম এ, ঠিক আছে। আরে ও আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, আরে নো 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 প্রবলেম, নো প্রবলেম, ইটস ওকে ওকে ওকে, নো প্রবলেম। আরে ভাই চিল কর চিল কর, আই মিন নট দ্যাট মাচ স্ট্রিক্ট। ওকে, তো হ্যাকাথন মানে ডাইভারশন 2023 হচ্ছিল হচ্ছে আইএম এ হ্যাকাথন হয়েছিল একটা, তো যেখানে ফার্স্ট স্টুডেন্টস ওয়েন্ট देयर এন্ড তার জন্য আমি বলছি এক্সপেরিয়েন্স শেয়ার করতে। ত্রিশা হ্যাড অলরেডি শেয়ার্ড এক্সপেরিয়েন্স, সো ইয়া নাইস। তো ওটাই আর কি, ঠিক আছে, নো প্রবলেম।
And it was organized by MLH first of all. And do you know why MLH hackathons are like, what different, like what's difference between MLH hackathons and different like other hackathons? Okay, the MLH hackathons are very organized. They have a lot of
স্বর্ণ, ওদেরকে
sponsors.
আগে এমএলএইচটা কি
Yeah,
বলে?
yeah, yeah. Yeah, MLH is a short term for Major League Hacking. It's a student community, like very big international community of students where like coders like you and I are like part, like there are many like mentors and everyone, like Kunal. Do you know Kunal Kushwa? Do you guys heard of Kunal Kushwa? Yeah, he was also part of MLH. So MLH is a very large students community who organize these coding events, hackathons, global hack weeks, and open source events. So what they do, they like help colleges to organize uh, offline and online hackathons, and they help them to like fetch good sponsors, like give them a roadmap how to conduct, and they ensure that hackathon runs smoothly. They like send their teams, like judges come from like other countries and our countries as, like there are 16 judges, like 16 panel of MLH members in a hackathon, like in like hackathons like Diversion or Hack the Mountain, like two of them from like some other country like Canada or some like yeah. So they ensure that the hackathon runs well and good, like proper schedule and structures in maintained. So the thing about MLH hackathons are they are very well organized, like there is very little room for like bias and all. So it's really great and transparent, and there are a lot of sponsors because MLH like MLH helps a lot to like fetch a good amount of sponsors from different tracks. Like they have sponsors for blockchain, for Web2 technologies. So yeah, if you are participating in MLH hackathon, your chances, if you are targeting a track, so you will have a chances of winning something. So MLH is all about. You can check out MLH site. They have a very good opportunity for students. That's called MLH Fellowship and MLH Prep. So MLH Fellowship is basically a externship, or where you work with them on open source project and you get paid in return of that. So the amount is very good, like 5,000 US dollars for 3 months. Like it's near about 4 lakhs, 3.5 to 4 lakhs. So you should definitely go ahead and check their site. Is there anything anyone would like to ask? Yeah, sure.